Let's learn daily use action verb. I am playing football. I am playing football. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. I am watching cartoon. I am watching cartoon. I am skipping. I am skipping. I am jumping. I am jumping. I am skateboarding. I am skateboarding. I am going to school. I am going to school. I am eating ice cream. I am eating ice cream. I am riding bicycle. I am riding bicycle. I am eating cookies. I am eating cookies. I am playing in rain. I am playing in the rain. I am clapping. I am clapping. I am watching stars. I am watching stars. I am playing with my toy car. I am playing with my toy car. I am exercising. I am exercising. I am playing with a kite. I am playing with a kite. I am blowing a whistle. I am blowing a whistle. I am mopping the floor. I am mopping the floor. I am drinking juice. I am drinking juice. I am brushing my hair. I am brushing my hair. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. I am winking my eye. I am winking my eye. I am spinning in circles. I am spinning in circles. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. I am making a paper plane. I am making a paper plane. I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple. I am building with blocks. I am building with blocks. I am playing hide and seek. I am playing hide and seek. I am bathing. I am bathing. I am riding a scooter. I am riding a scooter. I am visiting a doctor. I am visiting a doctor. I am hugging my mom. I am hugging my mom. I am washing my clothes. I am washing my clothes. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. I am sliding. I am sliding. I am talking to my parents. I am talking to my parents. I am washing my hands. I am washing my hands. I am watching butterfly. I am watching butterfly. I am bouncing a ball. I am bouncing a ball. I am eating. I am eating. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am eating a burger. I am eating a burger. That's all for today. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो एक लाइक ज़रूर करना। साथ ही अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ गो एंड सब्सक्राइब। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।